Remote Sensing. Lecture 1: Introduction to the course. Organization of the course. Geophysics and Remote Sensing is a 12 credits aggregated course. It is delivered in the framework of Environmental Engineering Master's degree. Two different lecturers in charge for the course, Professor Alberto Gaudio, Geophysics, and Professor Piero Boccardo, Remote Sensing. Attending students are mainly enrolled in environmental engineering, but there are also students enrolled in other master's degrees and PhD ones. The majority of the students are taking the whole course, 12 credits, but there are also students taking only one of the two parts, geophysics or remote sensing. Organization of the course. Geophysics, depending on the master's degree, is ranging from 6 to 8 credits, while remote sensing is always, for all the different master's degrees, 6 credits. For remote sensing, the labs will be split into 3 different groups. The first 2 includes all the environmental engineering students and all the others, climate change, planning, PhD, etc. They are planned on Thursday, Group 1 at 11.30 to 13.00 and Group 2 at 13.00 to 14.30. Both the labs are in English. Group 3, still on Thursday at 11.30 to 13.00 for environmental engineering, Italian path, and geography students. Lab is in Italian. Remote sensing lectures are fully in English. Materials. On the students' portal, one can find different teaching materials. 1. The comprehensive teaching material regarding remote sensing and Earth observation, written by myself. 2. A complete user guide for the software that will be used during the labs, ENVI User Guide. 3. Lecture presentations. 4. Software and its license to be used by your own. 5. Data, satellite images. 6. Pre-recorded video of all lectures and labs. Materials. The following is very important. Whatever will be presented and described during the lectures and labs is on the teaching materials, thus no other teaching materials is considered necessary. On the teaching materials, there could be more of that will be considered enough to pass the examination. During the lectures and labs, I will explicitly show the topics that will not be considered as part of the teaching program. Logistics. In the classic organization, all the remote sensing lectures and labs will be located in the same room. Why that? This is essentially due to the fact that since the beginning, my aim is to tightly link theory and practice, trying to show and experience in practice what we learned in theory. Being the room large enough, is warmly requested to every student to bring his/her laptop to be used for the lab. Usually, I am very on time. I will be very glad if also you could be the same. Final examinations. As usual, in order to get the credits, and then to advance in your university career, you need to pass an examination. There is a couple of very important things to know. 1. Geophysics and Remote Sensing course gives 1 single mark. That means that the final mark will be the result, in term of mean value of what you will get of the 2 single parts of the course, Geophysics and Remote Sensing. 2. What you get for the remote sensing part, of course, if accepted by your side, should be considered valid for the future. Final examinations. For remote sensing part, the final examination will be split into 2 different parts. 1. A practice one, based on a report. 2. A theoretical one, based on the answers to different questions. If passed, marks will be expressed in points out of 30, and accepted, the remote sensing final marks will be the mean value of the 2. E.g. practice equals 26/30, theory equals 30/30. final mark equals 28/30. Final examinations. Practice part is based on a final assignment to be completed individually or in small groups, not more than 3 students, regarding a research conducted in areas freely chosen by yourselves using open-source satellite data, multispectral and multitemporal. Topic of the research that will be presented in depth before the end of the course will be or the production on land cover maps or based on general environmental analysis. Theoretical and practice part can be taken also in different examination sessions. Final examinations. Examinations are planned during the different sessions. You can find all the information on the Polytechnico portal. Examination registration will be done once all the partial marks will be gained, theory plus practice plus applied geophysics. It is important that the students wanting to attend a session register themselves with the classic procedures. If successful, the examination will be registered telematically and published on the personal portal for some days in order to check it and eventually approve. After these few days, the examination will be definitely registered. Further information and contacts. Me and Sona will be available all semester during the lesson and afterwards. If any further information is needed and/or something is not clear, please contact me during the lectures or by mail to piero.bosicadu@polito.it, sona.gulieva@polito.it. If you do not understand during the lesson and/or if I am not clear enough, do not be shy. Interrupt me, and I will try to repeat in another way. The same if I will be too quick, especially during the labs.